Hello everyone. This is a follow-up video on being corona prepared for lockdown 3.0. I'm Dr. Aniket from the Venkat Center, Bangalore. So we've been producing a series of videos so far on what we have been doing for coronavirus and how to deal with coronavirus. And now the newest phase in this is lockdown 3.0, wherein the lockdown is still continuing, but many restrictions have been lifted, particularly in orange and in green zones. So what does this mean? This means that we are not yet out of the woods. It is still not safe to do everything like we used to before. But at the same time, it is the first step in the return to normalcy. It's the first step that you can start doing some things. So what does this mean for us? Till now, we were not initially not open at all. We were only doing teleconsultations. Then a couple of weeks ago, we started opening the clinic for emergency consultations. And now in lockdown 3.0, we are opening a clinic for all consultations. We are also starting to do some procedures. Now, the important thing is, how do we do this safely? It is important for us to get back to normal, but in a manner that does not compromise safety. So this video will show you some of the steps that we're taking in our clinic to be safe. We are doing this in a staged manner. We're doing this so that everyone is comfortable. And as things get more and more clear and comfortable, we will slowly start increasing our services as well. So please have a look at this video to give you an idea of what all is being done in our clinic. Thank you.
All patients have been screened for their history before coming to the clinic. They are asked about symptoms as well as contact with the COVID positive patient. Once they reach the clinic, they are again screened for their temperature and history. It is ensured that the patient is wearing a mask before they come inside the clinic. In the clinic, all efforts are taken to ensure social distancing. Limited number of appointments are given per hour to avoid crowding. Patients are asked not to come with attenders unless absolutely necessary. The clinic is fumigated on a daily basis to ensure sterilization. The staff are also screened for their history and their temperature is taken. It is ensured that they wear masks and gloves. Payments are encouraged through a digital format to avoid the use of paper. Doctor's appointments are given at intervals to avoid crowding. Inside the doctor's room, distance is maintained as much as possible. Time spent inside the room is as required for the condition to avoid too much interaction. The doctor also ensures all precautions including gloves and sanitizers. Some procedures are being started with the safer ones first. All precautions are being taken. The procedure room is being fumigated on a daily basis. As we become more and more comfortable, more and more procedures will be started. In the pharmacy, prescriptions are given digitally to reduce the use of paper. Distancing is maintained. We would like to mention that we have a supply of COVID supplies such as masks and gloves for anyone who wishes to purchase them.
So that was an overview of all the steps we are taking to be corona prepared. If you have any doubts or any questions, you can always reach out to us. Safety is our utmost priority. We are looking at being safe both in-house in terms of our cleanliness, our sterilization, screening our staff, as well as being safe from outside, screening our patients and making sure that they are fit to be able to come to the clinic. So if you have any doubts or any questions or you would like to schedule an appointment, do call us on 7022101689 or 9611842627 or email us on info@venkatcenter.com. Thank you.